What's the meaning of austral? Austral. Austral.
Austral. Austral. Austral refers to something related to the southern hemisphere or the south in general. It is often used as a prefix in scientific or geographical terms to indicate a southern location or orientation. For example, Austral Ocean refers to the Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica. The term can also be used more broadly to refer to things that are southern in nature, such as austral culture or austral climate. Overall, austral is a term that signifies a connection to the southern parts of the world.